Short video showing some of the 1/76 scale vehicles in British Railways livery in my collection. From the left, the Merit later Pico all plastic Scamel. Then we have the Days Gone version of the Scamel with container. Then an AEC with Arctic trailer. Scamel low loader, also from Days Gone. Then on to classics, the Ford Thames delivery van, the familiar Morris J delivery van, the immediate post-war Ford van, then the later 50s Ford Anglia van from Oxford, with the Comma van also from Oxford. Then there's the EFE Arctic, Bedford of course. And the last one, probably the oldest model in my collection, is the Budgie Austin Lodestar Arctic with container load.